Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the people killed in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919 and shared a video defining the incident and showcasing the unparalleled courage and sacrifice of the victims. The Election Commission of India has introduced home voting for the first time in a Lok Sabha election. The Supreme Court is organizing a two-day conference on technology and dialogue between the Supreme Court of India and Singapore on April 13 and 14. US President Joe Biden on Friday said he expected Iran to attack Israel sooner rather than later and want Tehran not to proceed. The Defense Ministry has issued a tender to the public sector from Hindustan Aeronautic Limited for purchasing made in India 97 LCA Mark 1A fighter jets expected to be worth over Rs 65,000 crore.